Hello, my fellow comic book collectors. This is going to be a mystery box. I don't know. Like, I received this box today. It doesn't even have my address on it. Well, maybe. I don't know. So it's just like this weird mystery box that came on my doorstep. I have no idea what this is. I don't know who it's from. I don't know what it is. It's not ticking, so that's a good sign. But it's just some weird mystery box that came on my doorstep. So it's a mystery box unboxing because I have no idea what it is. So let's find out. So yeah, so hopefully it's something cool because I have no idea what it is. This is what happens when you buy too much stuff. You have no idea what's going to come in the mail. So that being said, let's see what's inside. It's like some styrofoam. Well wrapped, whatever it is. Okay, lots. Like they even came in with this bubble wrap stuff. And then it's in a mailer. So I'm gonna open that too. Oh, it's a slab. Oh, it's a very nice one. I know what this is now. Once I saw the little edge, I know exactly what this is. This is really cool. So I've been trying to collect a lot of sort of the key artists from the 40s and 50s. And this would be one of them. This is like major artists, really hot artists in terms of what golden age collectors are looking for. And this is a high grade as well. So this is L.B. Cole cover. And this is Terrors of the Jungle number 10. And you can see his style is like, I don't know, it almost reminds me of like psychedelic, or not psychedelic, but the coloring is kind of like these weird hot colors. Like it's his artwork is very, very recognizable. Whenever you see these kind of colors, you can tell it's like an L.B. Cole cover or artwork. So this is a very famous cover by L.B. Cole. This is a restored, like I actually was able to get it cheaper because it is restored, and the restoration is slight. Amateur restoration includes a small amount of color touch on cover, small piece of cover reattached. Believe that, but it's a very high grade. I believe that I'm gonna use my my flashlight and find out what the restoration is. But it's just a really cool L.B. Cole cover. You can see the back as well. You know, it has a nice little ad on the back. Chewing gum. Like, what the heck? New chew improved formula. Chewing gum reduce. I don't know. So it's like chewing gum for weight loss on the back. So just a really great Good Girl Art cover. And it's just, really kind of cool. I really like these Jungle Girl kind of covers. So, it's like a mixture of multiple things for me that I'm looking for, like these hot artists like Matt Baker, L.B. Cole, Bob Montana, Al Falstein, all these kind of artists that are like sort of the pinnacles of the 40s style art. Schomburg would be another one. So really cool. Mystery unboxed, and here's the mystery is solved. I found out what it is. It's kind of cool. So yeah, this is Terrors of the Jungle number 10, L.B. Cole cover. Thanks for watching.